Hello all. In this video we'll learn some of the basic SQL of movie database schema. Yes, this is a schema representation of a movie database. So here we have 5 tables, that is actor, director, movies, movie cast, rating. And for actor table we have 3 attributes, that is actor ID. Here actor ID is a primary key. The attribute which is underlined is a primary key. We have actor ID as a primary key and actor name and gender, actor gender. Second table is director. So director has 3 attributes, as director ID as a primary key, then director name and the phone number of the director. Third table is movies. It has 5 attributes, that is the primary key of movies table is movie ID. The attribute which is underlined is a primary key, and the second is movie title, movie year, a movie language and the director ID. The fourth table is movie cast. So here we have got 3 attributes, that is actor ID, movie ID and role. Here actor ID and movie ID, here both are primary key. So the primary key has a combination of 2 attributes, that is actor ID and movie ID. Okay, and the last table is rating. So here we have 2 attributes, that is movie ID and the rating stars. So here movie ID here is a primary key. Yes, these are some of the queries. We will concentrate on these queries in the later part. Let's just create a schema diagram with the referential representation. Yes, as you can see in the actor table, the actor ID is a primary key. So in this schema diagram we just represent the foreign key. As you can see in a movies table, the director ID here is a foreign key. So this director ID reference is a foreign key that refers the director ID of a director table. And also we have in movie cast we have actor ID that refers the primary key of a actor table. And also we in a movie cast we have movie ID, even it's a primary key that refers to the movie ID of the movies table. And in the rating also we have movie ID, so that refers the movie ID of the movies table. So the actor table consists of information about the actor, and the director table consists of information about the director, that is director ID, director name and the director phone. And the movies table, information about the movies, that is the ID of the movie and the title and the year in which the movie was released and the language of the movie and the director. And the movie cast, so it's about the actors acted in a particular movie and their role. The actors acted in a particular movie and their role. And then comes a rating, that is the movie ID and the ratings received for that particular movie. Yes, so this is about the schema diagram. Yes, so we'll just create the table for these. We just create a table. Okay, the command for creating the table is create table actor. So this create table is a keyword and actor is a table name. It's a user defined. Okay, so the next what we have is the attributes, 3 attributes. So actor ID, so this actor ID integer, so the data type is given is integer. Actor name, variable character with the size 20, and actor gender, the character, that is fixed length character, and with the size 1, either it will receive M or F. Okay, and we just represent actor ID as a primary key, so primary key within the bracket as a actor ID. So that's it about the table actor. Yes, this is how we just create a director table, create table and the director. Okay, table name. So as you can see already, this director underscore id is underlined, so that is a primary key. So director id integer, okay, and at the last primary key we have just specified director id as a primary key. So next is director name. Director name is variable character, the 20, and the director phone number. So director phone as integer. This instead of integers, you can make use of the data type big int. Instead of integer you can specify big int, because this sometimes the phone number is of 10 digits, so in that case integers, the range will be out of boundary, so in that case the big int will work fine for the mobile number, but for the landline number, yes, you can make use of integer. If at all, if the phone number or mobile number which is of 10 digits, you can make use of the big int data type. You can just modify the integer as big int. Yes, movies table. Yes, create table movies. Movie, again, movie id integer, movie title variable character, movie year just an integer because it's just a year, not a date, and movie language is variable character, and director id is integer. Primary key movie id. So as you can see, this movie id is underlined, so that is a primary key. And as you can see here, the foreign keys, we have director id is a foreign key that refers to the director id of a director table. Foreign key director id references director id, so it's a primary key of an director table. Okay, the foreign key refers to the primary key of another table. Here the director id of the movies is a foreign key that refers to the director id primary key of a director table. Yes, the next is about the movie cast. So this table has information about the actors acted in a particular movie and their role. Yes, create table movie cast. Actor id is integer, movie id is also integer, role a variable character, and then the primary key is a combination of actor id and movie id. And yes, we have two foreign keys here, that is actor id and movie id. Okay, so here foreign key actor id references actor id. Here the here actor id in a actor table is a primary key, but whereas actor id in a movie cast is a foreign key. So next what we have is movies movie id references movies movie id. Okay, so here again movie id is a foreign key of a movie cast, and that refers to the primary key of movies, that is movie id. So yes, the last is about the rating. The table is about the rating, so that is create table. This rating table is about a review stars given for each movies. So movie id is an integer, review star is variable character or can be integer as well, and primary key, yes, it's just a combination of movie id and review stars. Okay, and foreign key, yeah, movie id references movies movie id. Okay, yeah, let's understand about the queries. Yes, let us understand the first query. List the titles of all movies directed by Hitchcock. Here Hitchcock is a director name, so I just want to list all the titles of movies directed by Hitchcock. Okay, yes, whenever we write a query, we should know what should be the select clause, what attribute we need to mention in the select clause, and which are the tables do we need to mention in the from clause, and what should be the condition. Yes, so since we need to just retrieve the titles of all movies, so the titles of movie is available in the attribute movie underscore title. Okay, so in the select clause you need to specify movie underscore title. That's what we want to retrieve. Okay, from which table? Next clause is from which table? As you already can see that movie title is available in a movies table, and even the director name Hitchcock, the Hitchcock is a director name, and that particular attribute is available in a director table. So the from clause we need to mention movies and director. Okay, as you can see here, in from movies m comma director d. So this M is a alias name for movies and D is a alias for director. Okay. The next, in the where clause, we need to mention the condition. The condition is the director name should be is equal to Hitchcock. That is a one condition. And you need to specify the join condition between director and movies. How would you join director and movies? The join condition for director and movies is D dot director ID is equal to M dot director ID. Okay, as you can see this, where M dot director ID is equal to D dot director ID and director name is equal to Hitchcock. So thus this query will list the titles of all movies directed by Hitchcock. Okay, that's it about the first query. Yes, let us look into the second query. Find the movie names where one or more actors acted in two or more movies. Yes, I'm trying to rephrase the questions. Find the movie names where actors acted in two or more movies, which means I'm not interested with those movies where actors acted in only one movie. So I'm just interested with the movie names where actors acted in two or more movies. Okay. Yes. As you can see, just find the movie names. So movie names is nothing but I want just the movie titles, title of the movies. And where do we get those information of actors acted in a movie? We get this information in a movie cast. So actors acted in a particular movie and the role. Okay. So in movie cast, we get those information about the actors acted in a particular movie. Now the question is, I am not interested with those actors acted in only one movie. I'm just interested with those actors acted in two or more movies. So for that, the first thing is we have to group this actor ID. Okay, after grouping this actor ID, okay, we need to perform a condition on a group. So the condition on a group can be done by making use of a clause, having clause, where having count actor ID should be greater than 1. So in order to get those information of actors acted in two or more movies, first we need to group this actor ID and then apply the condition on the particular group. That could be done by making use of the clause called having clause. Okay, thus we can do it. So now let us write the query. Now the first what we just want to retrieve is the movie title. Okay, yes, select movie title. Yes, to avoid the duplicate values, we just use a keyword called as distinct. Okay, because there might be many number of actors acted in a acted in a two or more movies of a same movies, might be some same movies. So in order to avoid duplicate values, so we just use distinct keyword. Okay, next is from yes, from movies and movie cast. Okay, and the alias name for movies is M and alias name for movie cast is MV. Okay, where M dot movie ID, this is how you join these movies and movie cast. So which yes, what is common in both the table? Movie ID. Okay, that is common in both the table. So M dot movie ID is equal to MV dot movie ID. Okay, and actor ID. So the actor ID should be such that those actors should be acted in two or more movies. Okay, yes, for that we have written a subquery. Okay, so this is a subquery just to retrieve those information of the actors acted in two or more movies. So here we have an operator called as in operator. As you can see, actor ID in. So this subquery will return those actors who acted in two or more movies. For example, select actor ID from movie cast. Okay, group by actor ID. As I already told, we need to group based on actor ID because we just want to retrieve those actors who acted in two or more movies. So which means I just group this based on actor ID and impose a condition on a particular group. The condition on a group is having count actor ID should be greater than 1. Okay, which means it has given in a clearly mentioned clearly in the question, that is, so I just need the information of actors acted in two or more movies. So that selected actors will be retrieved, and then the condition matches and the corresponding movie titles will be displayed. Well, if this condition matches, only the titles will be displayed, otherwise it will not be displayed. So this is about the second query. Yes, let us understand about the third query. List all actors who acted in a movie before 2000 and also in a movie after 2015. So the question, it is clearly mentioned that I am not interested with those movies which is between 2000 and 2015. Okay, and should and the year should not be between 2000 and 2015. It should be before 2000 and after 2015. Okay, so list all actors. So I just want the information about the actors. Yes, in the select clause, I just want the information of the actors. With add on to that, I've mentioned the movie title and the movie year as well. Okay, so select actor name, movie title, and movie year. Next questions. Where do we find the movie year? The movie year details is available in a movies table. And where do we get the information about the actors? In an actor table. Yes, in a from clause we need to mention actor and movies and movie cast. Yes, in the bracket, as you can see, it has been mentioned that use join operation. So in the syllabus they have explicitly mentioned that we need to make use of a join operation, so that you can join the two tables in the from clause itself. As you can see here, as we need actor A, this is where we have used join operation. Okay, actor A join movie cast. Okay, join movies. So as we can see here, we need to join actor, movie cast, and movies. Now the question is, what should be the join condition? Can I join actor and movies? Can I join actor and movies? No. Oh no, yes, we cannot join actor and movies because there is no attribute common in both the table. Yes, can I join actor and movie cast? Yes, we can join actor and movie cast because actor ID in movie cast and actor ID in actor table is common. So I can just join actor and movie cast. Okay, and then can I join it with the movies? Yes, movie ID and movie ID both are common. So whenever you join actor, that has to be joined with movie cast, and then it has to be joined with movies. Okay, and the join condition should be specified in the from clause itself using the additional operator called as on. Yes, a dot actor id is equal to c dot actor id, and c dot movie id is equal to m dot movie id. Okay, c is the alias name of movie cast, a is the alias name of actor, and m is the alias of for movies. Okay, next, what should be the condition in a where clause? In a where clause, the movie year should not be between 2000 and 2015. So we have a operator called as comparison operator called as between, and we have a negation operator called as not. I can just make use of those operators where movie year not between 2000 and 2015. Yes, that's it about this query. It just retrieves all the actors who acted in a movie before 2000 and also in a movie after 2015. As mentioned in the syllabus, we have to make use of a join operation. Yes, we can explicitly make use of the join keyword. That should be done within the from clause itself, and even the join condition we need to mention or specify it in a from clause itself. Okay, that's it about the third query. Yes, next, find the title of movies and the number of stars for each movie that has at least one rating, and find the highest number of stars that movie received. Sort the result by movie title. Yes, now the question is, find the highest number of stars that a movie has been received. As you can see, to find the highest number of stars, we have an aggregate function called as max. Okay, using that we can just identify the highest number of stars the movie has received. And we have a second query, that is sort the result by movie title. Sorting could be done. We have a keyword called as order by. Order by is used to sort the values in a in a particular column. Okay, yes, as you can see, select movie title max. So this max is an aggregate function. It will return the maximum value or maximum stars received for a particular movie. Okay, yes, from movies m comma rating. Why movies has been included? Because movie title is available in a movies table. That's the reason we have included movies table in the from clause. And this is a join condition where we join movies and rating. How do you join movies and rating? What is common? Which attribute is common in movies and rating? That is movie id. Okay, that is m dot movie id is equal to r dot movie id. Okay, and next, group by movie title. Okay, we just group based on a movie title. Okay, and then order by movie title. As you can see here, why we have done group by movie title? Because this aggregate functions will be applied to this particular group whenever we group based on a movie title, because a movie might have n number of stars or n number of ratings. So as per the questions, we need to just retrieve those movies with the highest number of ratings. So we need to group it. Whenever I group this those attribute based on attribute, the aggregate functions will be applied on that particular group. And the last is order by movie title. Yeah, the movie titles will be ordered ascending order. By default, it will be arranged in and sorted in an ascending order. Okay, so if at all, if I want those movie titles to be displayed in a descending order, you need to make use of a keyword DESC. Okay, which means descending order. Okay. Yes, that's it about the fourth query. And the last query. Update rating of all movies directed by Steven Spielberg to 5. Yes, as you can see, I need to update a rating of movies directed by Steven Spielberg. Now, how will I come to know this movie is directed by Steven Spielberg? For that, I need to go back to director. Here the director name is Steven Spielberg. Okay, director name is Steven Spielberg. So, and how will I come to know which movies has been directed by Steven Spielberg? So for that, you need to make use of movies table also. As you can see, director ID, then I can just identify movie ID. So in a movies table, I get those information about the Steven Spielberg in director table. The movies directed by Steven Spielberg, that information I will get in a movies table, and to update the rating could be done in a rating table. Okay, the first thing is update rating. Okay, here since we have to update, we need to make use of update command. Update set the rating stars is equal to 5, where now what I am going to do is I'll be joining this rating and movies. Okay, so this movie ID should be available in this movies table. So select movie ID from movies, where director ID. Now the director ID we should be available in. Just join this director ID and this director ID. Okay, from director, where director name is equal to Steven Spielberg. So this is, I just gone reverse. First update, because as I already told, Steven Spielberg is a director name. So in a director table, we just have the information about the director. Okay, and if I just want to know which and all movies directed by the Steven Spielberg, that is available in movies. As you can see, director ID and movies is available in a movies table. And if I want to update the rating of all the movies, I need to go to rating. So first I'll just begin with the update rating. I set the review stars is equal to 5, and where movie ID in, again select movie ID from movies, where director ID in. I just created a subquery within that update statement. Again, the director ID should be within this director ID of an director table. And finally, the condition for the where clause is director name should be Steven Spielberg. So this is how the rating has been updated. This is how the three tables have been interconnected. This is the very important of relations between the two three tables. Yeah, that's it about this the movie database. We'll understand about the demonstration of a movie database. The yes. Yes, here is a demonstration for the movie database schema. To begin with, type the command mysql -u root -p. Okay, and type the password. Yes. Now just you need to create the database. I'll just start by typing the command create database, create database, and the database name. So the database name which I want to give here is movie database. Movie database. Yes. Now yes, the movie database has been created. Now if I just want to cross verify whether the movie database has been created or not, you can just type the command show databases. Show databases. Yes, this command will list out all the databases available. As you can see, the movie database has been created. Okay. Yes, now I just want to create all the tables within those movie database. Just for that, I just type a command use movie. Yes, so use movie. Now whatever table which I've created, that will be stored under a movie database. Okay, now here we need to create 5 tables, that is actor, director, movies, movie cast, and rating. Yes, let me create the actor table now. Which is already been in a document file. I just need to just copy and paste it in the terminal. Yes, just copy paste it. Yes, as you can see, the table has been created. Okay, now if I just want to see the structure of the table, type the command describe actor. Yes, so this describe actor will describes the table, and you can see this is a attributes, the list of attributes, data type, and yes, the as you can see, the key actor ID is a primary key, and a primary key cannot have a null value. Okay, and then actor name, yes, actor name can have a null value, and the actor gender can have a null value. So this describe keyword, it will shows the structure of a table. Okay, now let us create a director table. Yeah, director table, copy and just paste it over here. Yes, the director table has been created. Now you can make use of the command DESC as well for to describe the structure of director table. Describe or DESC both works. Yes, as you can see, the director ID here is a primary key. Okay, and then it will display the entire the data type of all the attributes. As you can see, the director phone here is a big int because it has a 10 digits. Now usually the mobile phone number has a 10 digits, so usually such a big number we need to make use of a big int. Okay, and then the director name is variable character of the size 20, and the director ID as an integer. Okay, yes, now let me create a movies table. Okay, just copy and paste it to the terminal. Okay, now if I want to check out whether how many tables have been created, we have a command called as show tables. Okay, which displays all the table which has been created. As you can see, actor, director, and movies table has been created. Now yes, we need to create 2 more tables, that is movie cast and rating. I'll copy it both and just paste it on the terminal. Yes, let me cross verify using the command show tables. Yes, as you can see, all the 5 tables have been created. Now the next job is to insert the data into the table. Okay, now first I will insert it the actor table. Okay, so I just copy the first statement and just paste it. Just paste it. As you can see, the data has been inserted successfully to the actor table. Now if I just want to retrieve the data from an actor table, the command is select star. Star means it will retrieve all data values of all the attribute. Select star from actor. Select star from actor, then the semicolon. Yes, as you can see, the actor ID is 301 and actor name Anushka and actor gender is F. As you can see here, yes, for the integer, since actor ID is integer, we have not specified a single quote. So for the since actor name is variable character and the actor gender is fixed length character, so for that, for the both these data type, we have to use single quote. Okay. Yes. Now let me insert the remaining data. Just copy it and just paste it. Okay. Yes, the data has been inserted. Now if I just want to retrieve the data from the actor table, select star from actor. Yes, this is the data from an actor table. Yes, if I want to select only those actor name from an actor table, the small modifications, instead of star you need to just type actor underscore name. Yes, now it will display only the actor name. Okay. Yes, now if I want to if I want to find out the actor name of an actor whose ID is 302, yes, the command is very much simple. Select actor name. Okay, select actor name from which table? From actor table. What is the condition? Where actor ID is equal to 301. Okay, or 301 or 302, whatever. Okay. Yes, as you can see, the actor with an actor ID 301 is Anushka, so her name has been displayed. So this is how we just retrieve the data from the database using a select from and where clause. Okay. Yes, now let us insert the data to the remaining table. Okay, I just copy entire data. Okay, and just paste it. Yes, just if I want to retrieve it, select, I just type the select star from just select star from director. Yes, so just it will displays all the values from director table. As you can see, the first attribute is director ID, and then comes director name, and then the director phone number. Yes. Okay, now as you can see, the data is already available. You see, of Rajmouli, and with the director ID 60 and his phone number, the data is already available. Okay, and as you can see, the director ID is primary key, and that particular column should be always unique. Now if I try to insert the value of some which has been already inserted, so the DBMS has to throw an error. So let me just cross check. Just try to insert the same data which have been inserted. Let me check whether it will allow the duplicate values or not. Yes, just I will copy and paste it. Yes, as you can see, the DBMS will throw an error telling that duplicate entry 60, because this column is a primary key, which means that should be always unique. It cannot have a duplicate value. So this is one of the major advantages of primary key. Okay. Yes, now let me try to insert the data to the remaining tables. Now I'll be trying to insert the value to movies. Just copy and just paste it. Yes, I just pasted it. And now let me retrieve the data. Select star from movies. Yes, so this displays all the data from the database. Okay, the first column is about the movie ID, and then the movie title, movie name, movie year, which has been released, the movie was released, and then the movie language, and then the director ID. As you can see, the movie ID and the director ID is not specified within a single quote, because both are of data type integer. Okay, So the rest of the attribute has been specified within a double quote, single quote. Okay. Yes, now we need to insert the value for the movie cast. Okay, just copy it and just paste it. Yes. Now just let me just retrieve it. Select star from movie underscore cast. Yes. Yes, as you can see, the data have been retrieved. So the first column is about the actor ID, and then the movie ID, and then the role of a particular actor. So the movie cast table is nothing but the those information about the movies and the actors and their roles. That's it. And the last table is rating. Okay, just copy and paste. So the rating has only the two columns, that is the movie ID and the ratings. Okay, just copy paste it. Just paste it. Okay. Okay, once again, just retrieve it. Select star from rating. Yes, as you can see, these are the movie ID and the ratings given to those movies. So the rating is given out of 5. Okay. Yes. So now the data has been inserted. Now just let me execute the queries. Okay. Now the first query is list the titles of all movies directed by Hitchcock. Okay. List the titles of all movies directed by Hitchcock. Okay. So first, let me display the values of director. Select star from director and select star from movies as well. Okay. So then the query is, I just want to list the titles of movies. I just want to list the titles of movies. Okay. Titles of movies directed by Hitchcock. As you can see, Hitchcock, the director name Hitchcock, the director ID of the director Hitchcock is 61. Okay. So I just want the movie title of the movies directed by Hitchcock. So for that, you need to just check your movies table. In the movies table, we have the information of the about the movies and the director. As you can see, the ID of the Hitchcock is 61 and it is available here. So the Hitchcock has directed a Kannada movie, surprisingly, that is Akash. Yes, Hollywood director has directed a sandalwood movie. Yes. Yes, let me execute the query. Just the output should be just Akash. It has to display Akash because Hitchcock is a director. He has directed only one movie, that is Akash. Okay, so let me just copy and just paste it. Copy and just paste it over here. Yes, the output is Akash. Okay, select movie title from movies and director where director ID, so v dot director ID is equal to d dot director ID and director name is equal to Hitchcock. So the yes, that is the movie title is Akash. Yes, let us look into the second query. The second query is about find the movie names where one or more actors acted in two or more movies. So I just want the movie names where actors acted in a two or more movies. Okay. So for that, where do we find movies? So information of the movie is available in a movies table, and the actors acted in a movie. So to retrieve that information, we have movie cast. So in a movie cast table, we have those information of the actors acted in a particular movie and their role. Okay. So just want the list of the movies where actors acted in two or more movies. Okay. So for that, I'll just before executing the query, I'll just look at the data of movies and movie cast. Just for that, just type the command select star from movies and yes, and movie cast. And let's go cast. Yes, as you can see here, the query is pretty much simple. We need to find the movie names or movie title where the actors acted in two or more movies. As you can see, the actors 301 and yes 301 acted in two movies. Yes, and even 303 acted in two movies. But whereas 304 acted in only one movie, so I don't want that. I don't want that information. I just want the information of. I just want the movies where actors acted in two or more movies. So the title of 1001, in a movie with the ID 1001, 1002, and 1003. Yes, that is nothing but Bahubali 2, Bahubali 1, and Akash. Your output should be nothing but Bahubali 1, Bahubali 2, and Akash. Because in these three movies, the actors acted in, as you can see, the actors acted in two or more movies. Just let me just copy and paste it. Copy and just paste it. Semicolon was missing. Yes. So this title is nothing but these are the movies where actors acted in two or more movies. As you can see, 304 is an actor acted in only one movie. That's the reason the war horse is not being displayed in the final result. Okay. Yes. Now let us look into the third query. List all actors who acted in a movie before 2000 and also in a movie after 2015. Yes. So I just want those information about the actors who acted in movie before 2000 and also in a movie after 2015. So where do you get those information? Yes, as you can see, we get those information in movies. Okay, we have year, and where do we get the information of the actor? In an actor table. Okay. Yes, so before executing this, let me see the values of actor, movie cast, and movies. Type the command select star from actor, select star from movies. Yes. So what is the query? The query is about list all actors who acted in a movies, okay, before 2000 and also in a movie after 2015. Okay. So before 2000, yes, we don't have any movies before 2000 in our database. Yes, we have some of those movies which was been released after 2015. So that is this one, as you can see. Yes, the first row. So that is a movie which has been released after 2015. Yes. So I just want those, once again repeat the query. List the actors who acted in a movie before 2000 and also in a movie after 2015. So I just want those information about the actors acted in a movie 1001. Okay. So for that I need one more table, that is select, that is movie cast, select star from movie underscore cast. Yes. Yes, I just want to retrieve those actors acted in the movie with the movie ID 1001. So for the movie 101, only 301 with an actor ID 301. Who is that actor? That is only Anishka. So your output should be only 301. That is actor Anushka. Okay. Yes. Let me execute the query. Just copy it and just paste it over here. Yes, as I said already. So the output is nothing but this is an actor who acted in a movie before 2000 which was released before 2000 and also a movie after 2015. Okay. as you can see, this movie was released after 2015. So there was only one movie. There was no movies which was being released before 2000 as per our database, and there was only one movie which was released after 2015. That was, as you can see, that is a movie with the ID 1001. So that was the and actors acted in that 101 is only 301. Who is 301? That is Anushka. This is a final result. Okay, now, yes, now let me execute one more query. Find the title of movies and the number of stars for each movie that has at least one rating, and find the highest number of stars that movie received. Sort the result by movie title. I just copy paste it and just paste it here. Okay, some error. What is an error? Is ambiguous. Okay, so for that, let me change it to movie title. Yes. Yes. As you can see here, order by movie title. So the question is, find the title of movies and the number of stars for each movie that has at least one rating, and find the highest number of stars that movie received. Sort the result by movie title. As you can see, order by title we have already sorted in an ascending order. By default, by default it is in ascending order. As you can see, the movie has been sorted in an ascending order. Okay. Yes, let us look into the final query. Yes, that is update rating of all movies directed by Steven Spielberg. Yes, update rating of all movies directed by Steven Spielberg to 5. Yes, so before that, we'll just look into the data of the rating and the movies and the director. Okay, the first, let me look into the data of director. Select star from director. Okay, and select star from movies. Second, what it is? Yes, movies. From movies, and then from the rating, select star from rating. Yes. Okay, the question is, we need to update rating of all movies directed by Steven Spielberg to 5. Now, first thing, what is the director ID of Steven Spielberg? Steven Spielberg is over here, and his ID is 63. The director ID of the Spielberg is 63. Yes. So now I just want to update the rating of all movies directed by Steven Spielberg. Now first, let us know which movie the Steven Spielberg has directed. Yes, as you can see, Steven Spielberg has directed a movie called as War Horse. As you can see, his ID is 63, and he has directed a movie called with the titled War House. So what is the ID of that movie? That is 1004. So that 1004 movie, I need to rate it as 5. So where it is, you can see here, the movie with 1004, that is War Horse movie, has been rated 4. So this I have to make it as 5. Okay, so yes, just let me copy and paste it. Copy this SQL query, just copy and just paste it, and let me check the rating after that. As you can see, the query has been executed successfully. Now once again, let me let me type the query, that is select star from rating. Let me check the rating table, values of rating table. So this 1004, this is an movie directed by Steven Spielberg, that has to be 5. So yes, let me check it. As you can see, it has been, the table has been updated. So this query is nothing but we need to update the rating of all movies directed by Steven Spielberg to 5. So yes, that is done. The movie that has been directed by Steven Spielberg was 1004, and that initially it was 4, and it has been updated to 5. Yes, that's all about the movie database. It's a laboratory program, and yes, that's it about the demonstration of this program. Thank you.